Celebrating 250 years of horological innovation, Breguet unveils a truly special timepiece, the Marine Hora Mundi 5555, a limited edition Globetrotter's watch unlike any other. Founded by the legendary Abraham Louis Breguet, the brand has released 4 anniversary models in Breguet Gold. But it's the Marine Hora Mundi, with its instant time zone jump and phosphorescent world map, that steals the show. Under the hood is caliber 77 F1. Instead of an extra GMT hand, the central hands instantly switch from one time zone to another at the touch of a button. Date and day-night indicators jump automatically thanks to Breguet's patented cam, hammer, and differential system. The double-layered dial is a miniature work of art. On a gold guilloche base, gradients of blue evoke Earth seen from space. Above it, a sapphire crystal disc carries hand-painted continents, clouds, and, for the first time, a unique phosphorescent enamel that lights up cities at night. Applied Roman numerals in blued gold glow softly with superluminova, matched by Breguet's signature palmer hands and a beautiful sunburst sun and hammered moon on the day-night indicator. Housed in a 43.9mm Breguet gold case with 100-meter water resistance, the watch features a special 250th anniversary Quai de l'Horloge, guilloche on the back, and a Breguet gold rotor. Through the sapphire porthole, you'll see the decorated caliber 77 F1 with a 55-hour power reserve and silicon escapement. Limited to just 50 individually numbered pieces, the Marine Hora Mundi 5555 comes on a navy alligator strap with an additional rubber strap, priced at 88,000 Swiss francs, a fitting tribute to 250 years of Breguet's mastery. Which detail of this anniversary edition impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world's finest timepieces.